Okay, welcome America, welcome India, and welcome Selena Gomez to the live recording in Studio 202 of Pre-Calculus. We are going to take this equation here and we are going to rewrite it in the standard form of an ellipse and then graph it. It's going to be super exciting. Let me just tell you, I might even use the thumbnail. We had the science teacher, Miss Goodyear, come in and show us all the moon rocks and asteroids that NASA just sent us. I might just use that as my thumbnail today because it was pretty amazing. And a nice break from math, you know, so we could check that out. That was super exciting. All right, so I went ahead and grouped the x's and the y's because we know we are going to have to complete the square twice. So, all right, our number in front of x squared is something other than 1. So to complete the square, we're going to have to pull that out. We're going to have to GCF that out, factor it out. So let's go ahead and do that. So 4 x squared minus, it's going to be 2x, leave some space for completing the square, plus, now the number in front of y squared, the coefficient of y squared is a 1, so we don't have to do that. So we can just go ahead and complete the square like we normally do. Space equals -4, running out of room here. All right, half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. Half of 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4. So I'm adding, this 1 is actually not a 1, right? It's a 1 times a 4. So we just added 4 here, and we added 4 here. So on the other side, I'm gonna add 8. Is everybody okay with that? Now I'm gonna rewrite this. We've already found this number, right? Half of 2 is 1, so this is going to be x minus 1 quantity squared plus y plus half of 4 is 2 quantity squared equals, and then we've got a 4 on the other side. Almost done. Now, this is the standard form of an ellipse. Oh, that's squared, by the way, right? We've got to have a 1 on this side. It's got to equal a 1. So we're going to divide through the entire equation by 4. And what happens is that's going to cancel. That's just going to be an x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2, the quantity squared, over 4 equals 1. And since I ran out of room, I wouldn't normally do this. I'm just going to make this a 1. Is everybody okay with that? Everybody's got this written down? One. Now we know the center. We can easily tell what the center is. So the center is at 1, -2. Center is at 1, -2. So I know you can't see through me, but I'll just graph this really quickly. 1, -2. There's our center. And now, those 4's canceled, so that x minus 1 quantity squared is really over a 1. So we are going to go left, right from the center 1. And then we're going to go up, down with the square root of 4, 2. We're going to go up, down, 2. So in a different color. Co-vertices. That's the minor axis. It's a shorter distance. And I said 2, right? Here's the longer distance. That's the major axis. Oh, that's a terrible ellipse, but good enough. Questions?